things in life you forget they'll pass you by. It's the simple things in life.
Welcome back.
Thanks. We just had to go and refresh because so
welcome
humid.
back because it's a new video.
Oh, okay. My bad. Let's start again. Hi. Welcome back to part 2 of today. We've decided that we've separated these videos because there's so much to do and we're not going to spoil you. You know, you've got to come back and see more. So we decided that we're going to go and see the sunbed, that's a lie. Sunbed Conservation Centre, which is right beside the orangutans. The orangutans is here behind me and the sunbed conservation is over there in front of me. And with them being right beside each other, it would be silly not to visit them both.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Part 2. Here we go. I think this is the way. I hope this is the way.
There's
better be the way.
It is. So we pay $15.90.
There we go. So
because we're not Malaysian.
$15.90.
Yeah. Do you think?
No, we don't. We pay 31 ringgit.
Oh yeah. My bad.
Brain.
Do you think that I could get away with saying that I was 17-year-old Malaysian?
No.
Are you sure?
Certain.
What's this?
So 31 ringgit per person for a non-Malaysian. That's actually more expensive than orangutans.
Yeah, and then also you can see them ugly monkeys with the big nose.
Are they here?
Proboscis. They're somewhere in this vicinity. They're even more expensive. Oh, let me tell ya.
Whoa.
When we went to see the orangutans before, we were watching one of the baby ones climb up the tree. We heard this trumpet. It was so loud, and apparently it was a wild elephant.
So this looks like it's like the viewing area. So they could be anywhere down there, guys, I think.
Well, actually they also could be anywhere up there because they can climb up to 40 meters.
Oh yeah, that is true.
So they could be literally anywhere.
They could be absolutely anywhere. Wish us luck. Where did this little guy come from? See that little creature on the stump there?
Yeah, it's a lizard with no tail.
Is that what it is? Oh, there's 42 sun bears in here.
42 sun bears, so we're going to go around to the other viewing deck because there's some babies around there. They fight, so they have to separate them. The best time to see the sun bears is when it's raining because they don't like the wet floor, so they climb the trees. And they've got a telescope on the viewing deck where they've got it pointing to like a bee's nest, a beehive, that's it, a beehive, but they're stingless bees, the ones we like, and they eat the honey, the bears eat the honey, so it's literally like Winnie the Pooh.
We just heard thunder, guys, no joke.
That was the thunder,
we just heard big thunder right now.
That's what my belly sounded like last night when I was starving. That was a big thunder. And look at that grey sky. Oh,
yeah, I think it's going to rain hard. We might be better off to stay underneath this shelter.
Maybe we should run round to that shelter so that we can see them if they come for the honey.
So we're just on our way now to another viewing deck where the younger bears are, and see if we get some more joy. Oh, so we have 2. This one just appeared out of nowhere. I'm in the middle of Borneo rain right now, guys. It's like a monsoon right now. It's raining quite a lot, but apparently the bears come out and start climbing trees when it's raining, so I'm gonna walk to the other section and hope for the best. So, how's your first experience in the middle of Borneo rain? In the forest, or jungle rather?
In the jungle, having some rainstorm. It's actually not that bad right now, but there has been a lot of thunder, so I'm just expecting like a big loud grumble and then some torrential downpour. However, it's not that bad right now, but the raindrops are massive. So you get a bit soggy when they land on you. This is the best time to see the bears apparently, because they climb the trees to get away from the ground, so we're just kind of sticking around at the moment to wait for them to see if that's actually what happens. And if you're wondering why I'm not soaking wet, it's because I'm sitting under a shelter.
Lucky! Kind of eased.
The rain has settled itself right down. I've got some facts for you because I'm just a pillow of knowledge. So the sun bear is it's not endangered, but it's hang on. No, wait a minute.
Yeah, your facts are going pretty well.
No, just hang on a minute, there's a table. No, genuinely, hang on. Vulnerable.
Say again.
Not endangered. So sun bears are vulnerable. Their main predator is actually mankind, which is really sad. They are hunted by people for a number of reasons. One is for traditional Chinese medicine. For whatever reason, people want their bile and their gallbladder, thinking that it is going to heal them for whatever they have. Further to that, their body parts are actually really in demand, especially across Southeast Asia. So they are hunted for their skin, for their claws, for their teeth, and for their bones, and also a pet trade. So because they're small, people seem to think that they can train them and keep them as a pet. So indigenous people do actually eat the sun bear as well, so that has been a common factor in the kind of decline of the amount that there are in the wild. 30% decrease in the amount of sun bears that there are living in the wild in the past 3 bear decades. So there's been quite a lot of them not reproducing because they haven't reached maturity to be able to mate because they've been hunted. And there was another one.
Wow, Cody's hitting us with them facts today.
God, I'm just an absolute, what is it? What is it? It's not
brain box.
That'll do. I'll take it. They eat. They don't like the rain, we've already established that. They climb the trees and they break open the rotten wood with their teeth and their claws to be able to find their food. So they eat a lot of figs where they can be found. They were widely spread across the lands of Myanmar, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, Thailand, Sumatra, Borneo, Malaysia, Indonesia, and another one in the south of China, but I can't remember the place. However, Myanmar, Laos and southern China have a lot of bear farms where they're bred purely for their bile and for their gallbladders, where they're sold illegally, again for Chinese medicine. However, these body parts are no longer being used just for traditional Chinese medicine. They've actually, studies have been done and tests have been done, and the bear bile has been found in other products such as shampoo and soft drinks. So remind me not to have a soft drink in China, okay? The sun bear is also known as the honey bear.
Oh my god.
No, that's actually true. I said it was Winnie the Pooh earlier. Winnie the Pooh is a honey bear, and so is the sun bear. So just wanted to clarify that. As you were.
As you were. Well, that was our little mini vlog.
Yeah.
Yes. Mini vlog of the sun bears. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully Cody's video work is like up to scratch, obviously, because I'm the best, obviously. What do you think, Ig?
What video is what I got?
Yeah.
Genius.
Got some good
We'll
photos
put it
to
as
give
like
you that.
Cody Cam.
Cody Cam.
Yeah.
Should we mark it as Cody Cam?
Cody Cam, I want that. Cody Cam.